Hey guys, Cuber here. Today I'll be unboxing the Yuxin Little Magic 5F5 from thecubicle.us. So this isn't actually my normal recording place because that was unavailable today. And I don't know where to start cutting from right now. Okay. Okay. Got in. Let's go. Okay, let's see. That's just my thing. And this is the actual cube. And get it out. Okay. This does not want to get out. Okay. Okay, finally got the cube out. As you can see, I got the. Just zoom in. You can see I got the Cubicle Pro Shop loop service, so I don't have to worry about lubing this. I just need to open this without messing this up. That is not in frame. Okay. Why is opening a packet so hard? Yeah. There's something in here. It's just it's just some pamphlets. So there is no plastic wrapping on this. This is my first 5F5, so let's get into first turns. Oh, this is kind of sandy. It's pretty fast. Okay, yeah, I cannot do some turn. This is so hard. Okay, I don't know how Max Park does this. Oh, this has magnets, but it's really light. Okay, now I get it. Think. And no, never mind. Right? Oh, okay. Okay, now I get. Oh my god. Now I get it. Now I can do H-perms. And this is not. Pretty sure this is not in focus. There is some lube on the outside, but that's fine. Let's do the parity algorithm. Let's check the corner cutting. I'm not gonna go that far. It's like one piece, I guess. Then reverse is like half. This is gonna be my first 5F5. So you can see the lube in here actually. Let's see if we can zoom in. Let's see. So you can actually, there is some lube in here. I don't know if the camera can see it or not, but it is pretty kind of feels sandy, and there's lube everywhere. Kind of feels sandy, but okay, it is kind of sandy, but it's pretty smooth too. Okay, just going off of what J-Perm does. This is pretty nice. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I think the magnet could be a little bit on the stronger side, but because this is a pretty fast cube, but it's pretty good for $15 still. So I'm not complaining. Let's see, let's just get it out of this, and there is lube on my hand. Yeah, I'm gonna be way slow at 5F5. Just wipe this down a bit. I was not prepared for this. What does the pamphlet show? Let me check. Oh, it's just how to solve this. I know that it's basically like a 4x4, but there are centerpieces, so you don't have to worry about making your own centers. You already know where the centers are, or like mixing up the color scheme. So I'm gonna scramble this up and try and solve this. Probably gonna fail like quite a lot of times. I know how to do Yao 5, but I don't know. Let me just scramble this up really quickly and then try to solve it. And if I do solve it, I'll report it and let's scramble this. Okay. Oh my god. Now let me just solve this off camera for a second because I'm really slow at 5x5.